Open up your Facebook account. Here's my home page here. Push on the square that says menu in the upper right corner, push on that. Now scroll down to where it says page, select that. Here we can name the page. I will use my channel name Digital Tech Fix. In category, you have to fill this out. Simply find the best category that represents your page. I will type in tech. Science and tech. Good, I will select that. Now push on the blue button at the bottom that says Create Page. Give it a few seconds to create the page. The page has been created. Now push next. If you want to fill these out, go for it. For now I will skip. And there we go, guys, that's how you make a Facebook page.